Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat application on your phone and click on your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll down and look for Create Public Profile. If you don't see any options like that, go on to the settings and look for Privacy. If it doesn't show up, maybe your account is underage. It should be 18 or above to do this option. But to fix that, you will have to create another account to create your public profile. After that, click on Create Public Profile and read through everything real quick. Tap Get Started and it will create a public profile for you. Just tap Create to complete the process. To edit your profile, just tap it and it will give you an option where you can add photos and edit your profiles such as PFP and bio. You can check your profile by clicking the preview option. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.